Kajabi is primarily known for online courses and membership sites, but over the years they have expanded their software, and now you can create and sell full-blown online coaching programs. So today I'm going to take you behind the curtain, go inside of Kajabi, and show you how to set up your own coaching program inside the platform. If you want to take advantage of a free 30-day trial of Kajabi to play with the platform yourself, you can use my link profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi. This is an affiliate link, so I get a small percentage of your investment in Kajabi, but there's no extra cost to you compared to if you went through Kajabi's website yourself. All this does is simply support me and this channel for referring someone to Kajabi. But when you sign up with my link, I'm going to give you instant access to a course I created called Kajabi Kickstart, which is going to help you set up and launch your online business with Kajabi in that first 30 days. On top of that, when you're inside of Kajabi Kickstart, you will have access to a free 45-minute coaching session with me, where you and I both get to deep dive into your Kajabi account, and I will be there to answer any questions you have about Kajabi, marketing, or even making your first sale with the platform. All of this is free, and you can get instant access by going to profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi or clicking the link down in the description. Without further ado, let's dive into Kajabi. To get started in building out your coaching program in Kajabi, we'll go over to the products tab, and then we'll have all products, courses, coaching, community, or podcast. So we can click here to coaching program, or you can always, if you're on all products too, you can always click right here at new product. We'll click coaching, get started, and then it's going to take you to the same page anyway if you click that new product page or button at the top. So you can decide if you want to do a course, podcast, community, or coaching. And there's a little description that changes down here. Coaching programs share your knowledge to help others achieve their goals, book one-to-one sessions with clients, track their progress, and more. Gives you a handful of features that are inside of this type of program. We have live video conferencing, which is a new thing that they added into the coaching feature. Calendar integrations, video content, audio content, exclusive downloads, and shared notes. Sounds like everything you need to have a rock solid coaching program. We're going to click get started. From here, you can decide if you want to do a single session or if you want to create a more robust coaching package. So as you can see, everything changes a little bit. The biggest difference is that you get to decide how many sessions are included. It's really up to you what you want to do. Single sessions totally work. You can even have a single session option, or they can do a coaching package as well. And you can kind of decide how you want to run your business. I'm going to stick with a package though, because I like packages. And we'll decide that, let's say there are 10 sessions that are included. And then for a title, we'll say my awesome coaching program, James. Let's get you results. Okay, obviously you're going to put in your own information. Make sure that everything's the way that you like it. Once you're all set up, you have the right amount of sessions that you want to have in here, then we can hit continue. From here, it's going to set us up with a handful of different scheduling preference options. So the new one that they have is right here, where you can actually schedule and host your sessions from Kajabi. And then you have Calendly as well, very popular. And Kajabi has an agreement with Calendly, so they're very integrated. It makes it very, very easy to link your Calendly account with Kajabi if you already have Calendly events for your clients. You can really just seamlessly hook everything up. Custom link is if you use a different tool like Calendly, like Acuity, for example, then you can hit custom link and add your Acuity link inside of there, or whatever the booking page is from Acuity, and then manual booking as well. Handle the scheduling on your own. So what I'm going to do is click on the Kajabi thing, Kajabi option. And then we have location. So you can do a custom location if you want to host your coaching program from Zoom, we'll say, or you can do built-in live video. So you can actually have your programs and your conferencing done inside of Kajabi, which is super cool. So I'm going to click on that. Like it says, new. This is a very new feature. The duration of your coaching program, we'll just say 60 minutes, but you can do 90, whatever you want. How far does it go? Just up to 90 minutes. We're going to hit continue. Right here, you can decide what your primary color would be. They have a couple different options, or you can add whatever hex code you want. I like blue, so I'm going to stick with that. It even shows you a change over here. That button is now blue. And then the secondary color, We'll click here. Okay, so actually the primary color I would make, if it was me, I would just do white and blue. I think that looks good. And then you can upload an image right here as well. So I'll upload this image, we'll hit upload file, and then we'll hit continue. Now we have our paid and free option if we want to do this. So if you want to have a free coaching program, you can do that right there, or you can decide about having it paid. One time multi-pay, if you wanted to pay over a series of months, you can do that as well. Or if you just want a one time, you can always create two different options as well as different offers, quote unquote. We're going to stick with a one-time payment. And let's say that we wanted to go, I don't know, $1,000, we'll say. Let customers pay what they want. That is a new option that they've given you. Customers can give any amount over the minimum price you set. This is actually a really cool feature, especially if you're just getting started with coaching. You're just starting to help people. You can just select this. Let people pay what they want. Okay, so you can have a minimum price too, as you see when it sets there. This is the price or the minimum price. So you can have like a minimum. I'm asking for just $20 for sessions. But if people are like, dude, you are amazing, they can give you a tip as well, basically. Okay, so it's really cool if you're just getting started, or you can have it be $0, and then if they want to, they can pay you for helping them out. Just if you do that, I would say ask for a testimonial in return. At least get a testimonial for a job well done from you, because that's going to serve you immensely down the road. So we'll hit this. We're going to go payment provider. I'll just click Stripe because that's what I have connected here. Save and finish. And now we have we're inside of the dashboard for my awesome coaching program. And we have one offer created already. That is that paid in full option, basically. But you can always click offers, and then you can add a new offer that would be a payment plan. Okay, so I'm not going to go too deep into that right now, though. But we'll go over to package outline. This is the clients tab. It shows you which clients you have inside of this coaching program. Package outline. So we have our 10 sessions right here. You can always move them around if you wanted to. Instead of saying session 1, we can customize all of this. You can always add a new session at the top, or you can delete a session, but we will want to edit the details. You can also just click on session, click here. So this is session 1. And you can rename this whatever you want, add a little description. So, typically in a coaching program, the first step is like visioning or some sort of game plan and coming up with exactly what's going to be happening. So you could do that. We can say something like goal setting in this lesson. We'll set some epic goals. Cool. An agenda lists all the items you plan to cover. So these are kind of like bullet points. We're going to say like, you could say writing your vision, then we'll add a new item, plan action steps, add a new item, and we'll say, get it done, period. Cool. Add new item. And you can move these around as you please, but this is going to work as like a quote unquote checklist. And I'll show you in just a sec of what that looks like. Resources, you can add different resources. It's not always necessary, but sometimes it is. So in this example, we're talking about goal setting for the first session. You could add a resource that is like a PDF that is a goal setting checklist or something like that. So they can work on it outside, or maybe they download it there on the spot during your call. And then you can walk them through the entire process as well. Okay, so you can do a link, or you can click a file. We'll click download, and I'll go over to a download. We'll just use this one for now. Okay, it's not a goal setting sheet, but we'll just put that there. So everything's all filled out. It looks good. And then we'll come down here to save. And now you can see goal setting. So what we'll do is click up here on this little eyeball, and that will take us to our program. Cool. So right here, goal setting, and then we have all of our different sessions as well. And you can change these up on the fly as you please. But we'll click goal setting. It's going to take us right down here, details, notes, resources. If you click notes, you can actually take your shared notes, or you have your own notes that are only visible to you, which is pretty cool. So if you wanted to, you could create a certain sort of template and paste it into here, or you can just take your own notes on the fly, the things that really stand out to really help this person achieve their goals. And then you can copy and paste their shared notes. Maybe you wrote some action steps down here, and then you want to paste them up here into the shared notes. And then we have resources as well, so they can download that, and details. Remember we talked about the agenda, writing your vision, plan, action steps, get it done. Okay, so check, check, check. And you can go through, click out your notes as well. Resources, make sure that you download that here. And whenever your client is ready, they can always just click right here and schedule a session. So that's a quick overview of how to set up and publish your coaching program inside of Kajabi. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down in the comment section below. And if you're interested in trying out Kajabi yourself, do consider trying out my link. You're going to get a free 30-day trial, which is double the amount of time you get from compared to going through Kajabi's actual website. You'll also get the Kajabi Kickstart program, and then a one-to-one coaching session with me where I'll sit down, I'll help you on all things related to Kajabi or just marketing, sales, whatever you want in terms of growing your own business. There's a link down in the description. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.